What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Mad Shoes, and today we're gonna get into another unboxing. And from the clips, you already see we getting into the GOAT, one of the greatest of all time. Getting to these pine green ones. Beautiful shoe, by the way. I'm not sure if y'all seen the dude that made his truck out of the shoes, but pretty nice as well. But let's get into it. Let's get into it, man. So we're gonna get into this retro one. Not sure if y'all know about this retro one, but we know about Jordan in the dunk contest 1985. Year greatness arrived. And man, I love this shoe, man. This shoe is very dope. I love the leather, the black and the green. Got the classic Air Jordan sign right there. All in all, man, Nike did their thing. You see the shoe tree. Size 12. And man, I use the pine green ones. Clean leather. Just a nice shoe. Did y'all cop these this weekend? Are you gonna cop these? Yeah, man, Nike did their thing, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these Jordan 1s. I love them. Always love Jordan 1, especially the high top. High tops always been my favorite, especially the white and red ones, the breads. The patent leather, black and gold ones, they need to bring them back out. But they've been bringing out a lot of high tops here lately. I just hope Jordan keep up with the heat, man. I love it. I'm loving the heat here lately. Another look at these shoes, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. Are you gonna grab these shoes? Are you a Jordan 1 fan?